Hey guys, I was at home today working on the little summer sewing machine house project, and there will be a video going up on the club's Facebook page about the construction of this. But I remembered while I was working on this the other day in our embroidery class, the Part 5 guide class for the Altair and the Meridian and the Stellaires, Charlotte asked about using the little snowman sticker and then using it with the app on our phone. So I thought I would use this time to show you how to do that. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm ready to do the little firework design above my little sewing machine house. And so I've marked the center of where I want that design to go, and I have accidentally on purpose hooped crooked so that I can show you the little snowman sticker. So the way the sticker works, the head of the snowman is the top of the design, and then the belly button of the snowman is the center of the design. And so I need to position mine so that the top of the design is up there at the top of the hoop, and the center is on my mark that I've made, and you just stick that down. And then you go into the app, and I'm going into the one that the part that's underneath the embroidery, and this is the positioning app for the Stellaires, the Meridian, and the Altair machines. And so I'm going to go into there. I can say okay. And then down here at the bottom, I usually use easy, but there's an advanced option. So I'm going to choose advanced. And then it tells you to affix the embroidery positioning sticker at the embroidery location. I'm going to say okay. And then I've got to hold my phone and have it take the picture, have it count down 3, 2, 1. And then when it got it, it says send to the machine. And now we'll go over to the machine. And so now at the machine, it says the image was sent from the mobile app, and do I want to update it? And I'm going to say okay. And it has brought the picture over from my hoop, from the app, and I'm going to go into layout, and then there's the little icon of the snowman sticker. And then it's going to tell me okay to revert to the original position and or angle. And I'm going to show you, notice how the angle is at 0 degrees right there, and the position is at 0, 0. I'm going to say okay. And then this is just telling me I'm using the sticker and where the center of it is and everything. And so I can just say okay and okay. And it says the pattern was moved, and remove the embroidery positioning sticker. And now notice how it rotated it and it moved it into position. So now I just need to peel the sticker off and then start sewing. Get rid of that. And then, say okay. Now, thread the needle. Now I'm ready to sew.